your English teacher, and today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 5, Damon and Pythias. So, tell me, do you have a best friend? Right? We all have best friends, but what are friends? A friend is the one who helps us, right? In our problems or in our bad times. So we can already, it is truly said that a friend in a need is a friend in need. A true friend is one who helps each other when they are in a bad time or in a trouble. So best friends are the friends which are together in happiness and sorrow. Likewise, Damon and Pythias both are bestest friends. They are the true friends, right? And even they, both of them, just face a big problem. And how do they help each other? This is what the story is all about. Today we are going to discuss this story, but before going to the story, as we all do, we will just learn the new words that are being used in this story. So, are you ready with your books? Okay, let's start. Now the first word is tyrannical, cruel and unfair but powerful. So tyrannical means which is cruel and unfair but powerful. See, the person who has power, जिसके पास बहुत पावर है लेकिन फिर भी वो क्रूअल है, अनफेयर है, अनजस्टिस करता है, उसको क्या कहते हैं? टाइनिकल. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज स्पाइस. People who are paid to collect information secretly. See, spies is the plural form of spy, and you all know what is spy. Spy का मतलब होता है जासूस, जो किसी की information collect करता है secretly, and they get paid for it. So what are spies? Spies are the people who are paid to collect information secretly. Restrain करना, to stop or control. When we stop someone or when we try to control someone, that is called restraint. I can give the example now. In lockdown, people were restrained to come out of their home. So that means they were stopped, they were controlled, and they were not allowed to come out from their house. तो जब हम उस किसी पे पाबंदी लगाते हैं, किसी पे कंट्रोल लगाते हैं, किसी को कोई चीज से करने से स्टॉप करते हैं, that is called restraint. Now the next word is incite. Now what is incite? To urge someone to do something. When we request someone to do something, that is called incite. Tyrant, a ruler who is cruel and unfair. So ruler, what do you mean by a ruler? A ruler is a king. So a king who is really very cruel and unfair is called tyrant. So tyrant is a cruel king, right? जो बिल्कुल अपनी जो भी जस्टिस नहीं करता, इनजस्टिस करता है, जो कभी भी सही गलत को नहीं देखता. He will see only what he thinks is right. So that such type of kings are called tyrants. Free speech. So what is free speech? The right to express one's opinion freely. See, free speech is one of the human right. ऐसा right है, ऐसी हक है हर इंसान का कि जो उसका ओपिनियन है उसको freely express करे. If I like something, right, I can express it. If I don't like something, then also I should have freedom to express it. मतलब मुझे जो कहना है उसका मुझे हक होना चाहिए, right? That doesn't mean कि मैं bad words use करूँ या किसी को प्रॉब्लम दूँ. किसी को प्रॉब्लम दिए बिना I must be free. I have a right to speak what I think, right? मेरा क्या ओपिनियन है उसको मुझे सबके सामने प्रेजेंट करने का मौका मिलता है, मैं उसको फ्रीडम होता है, उसको क्या कहते हैं? फ्री स्पीच. Livid. Now the next word is livid. Extremely angry and furious, or you can say furious. जो बहुत गुस्से में है, that is livid. Insolence, lack of respect, extremely rude. Insolence का मतलब होता है जब when we don't respect anyone, we are extremely rude to someone, that is called insolence. Interrogate. Interrogate is to act on behalf of someone in trouble. When we act on behalf of someone, see there is a problem. If you say there is a ship and किसी ने ship पे attack कर लिया and the pilot of the or the captain of the ship is not there, तो जो भी वाइस कैप्टन होगा या जो भी उससे नीचे होगा वो कैप्टन की प्लेस पे उस टाइम काम करेगा, बिकॉज इट इज एन इमरजेंसी. When there is an emergency, when there is a trouble, then sometimes we need to act for someone. मुझे किसी और का भी काम करना पड़ता है ना, तो उसको क्या कहते हैं? इंटेरिगेट, टू एक्ट ऑन बिहाफ, किसी और का काम उसके बिहाफ पे करना, दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटेरिगेट. Pirate, someone who sails on the seas, attacking the other boats and stealing things from them. So what are pirates or who are pirates? Pirates are robbers or thieves जो ships के ऊपर हमला करते हैं, right? They just stole or rob the goods on the ship. जो ships होती है ना बड़ी oceans में जाती, उनके ऊपर वो attack करते हैं. They are a type of robbers, right? Undeterred is without letting anyone get in the way. Undeterred मतलब जब मुझे कोई काम करना है, then I will do it anyhow. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आए, कोई भी ऑब्स्टेकल आए, I will not let that obstacle to stop me. अगर मुझे होमवर्क करना है, ठीक है, I have to do homework. What if अगर लाइट नहीं है तो what will I do? I'll just go outside or I'll go to a friend house where the light is there or I'll just use the candle. मैं कोई भी प्रॉब्लम ऑब्स्टेकल को पार करके अगर मुझे होमवर्क करना है तो मैं करूंगी. That is called undeterred. That is whatever happens I will complete my goal. Intrigued, interested in something that seems strange. Intrigued का मतलब होता है जब हमको किसी strange, when we are curious about something, right? That is called intrigued. So when we want to know something new, we are curious. हम curious होते हैं उसके बारे में, हमको जानना होता है what it is. That is called intrigued. Grudgingly, unwillingly or reluctantly. So what is grudgingly? जब when we are doing something without our will, without our wish, I don't want to do it, but anyhow I have to do it. That is called grudgingly. Grudging का मतलब जब हमको कोई काम करना पड़ता है without our will. Suppose you have to clean your room, but today you are not in mood. But when your mother shows a hand, you will start cleaning your house, right? You have to do it. तो फिर आप अपना room clean करोगे grudgingly. That means you are cleaning your room grudgingly. That is you are not willing. But if you not clean, you will get a tight slap. So that's why you have to do it. So that is unwillingly, grudgingly. Thronged. What is thronged? Went in large numbers. So throng is went in large numbers. When we go somewhere, right, in a big group. जब हम कहीं पर एक बड़े ग्रुप में जाते हैं, that is called we throng in the party. That is we just went in a big group, right? So जब कोई बड़ा ग्रुप कहीं जाता है तो that is called thronged. Fanfare, a short loud piece of music played too. So what is fanfare? Fanfare is a type of music, or okay, you can say a piece of music composed for some special ceremony. जो ceremonies होती है उसके occasion के हिसाब से कोई जो music होता है उसको compose किया जाता है. कोई भी occasion हो सकता है, right? It can be a marriage, it can be a birthday party. So some music is composed specially for that function, right? और उसको play किया जाता है, उसको क्या कहते हैं? Fanfare. Introduce. Here introduce refers to a person or an event. It refers to a single person or a single event. In tatters. Now what are in tatters? Torn and ragged. So when the clothes are really torn, ragged, right? फटे पुराने कपड़े. Like you can see the poor person on the road or a beggar on the road. Have you seen his clothes? किसी beggar के कपड़े पूरे torn होते हैं. That is called in tatters. That is he is wearing some torn or ragged clothes. Okay, I hope you have understood all the new words. Now we are going to start our chapter. So what is the chapter is chapter 5, Damon and Pythias. So are you interested? This is a beautiful story. So let us start. Damon and Pythias, two good friends, were traveling to Cyprus after a long and tiring journey. They stopped at an inn on the outskirts of the city. Let's spend the night here, said Damon. We are both hungry and tired and we have a long trek ahead of us tomorrow. So here we have two main characters. First one is Damon and the second one is Pythias, and they are both two best friends. They are best of friends, right? And they are traveling to a city, Cyprus, right? Cyprus को travel कर रहे हैं, but बहुत and it is the story long before, बहुत पुरानी story. तो that time they didn't have vehicles. Mostly they use horses to travel or लोग यहाँ से एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस चल के बाय वॉकिंग डेज टू गो। तो डेमन और पीथियस भी, दिस इज अ स्टोरी ऑफ अ ग्रीक कंट्री, एक दोनों ही चलकर साइप्रस गांव जाना चाहते हैं और बीच में वो दे आर टायर्ड बिकॉज इट इज अ वेरी लॉन्ग जर्नी एंड दे हैव स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द मॉर्निंग, और शाम हो गई और पूरे दिन दे आर वॉकिंग, सो दे आर टायर्ड, वो थक गए हैं। सो what they do, they stop at an inn. So here inn is a hotel, okay, where we can stay, right? Inn, inn, it refers to a hotel on the outskirts of the city. See, outskirts means the outer area of the city. So Damon and Pythias क्या कर रहे हैं? They are traveling to a city और बीच में वो टायर्ड हो जाते हैं, राइट? शाम भी हो जाती है, तो वो डिसाइड करते हैं कि एक होटल में, है ना, जो सिटी के बाहर है, आउटस्कर्ट ऑफ द सिटी, वहां पर वो रेस्ट करने के लिए रुकने का डिसाइड करते हैं। ओके, नाउ व्हाट डेमन से, लेट्स स्पेंड द नाइट हियर, हम यही नाइट स्पेंड करते हैं। वी बोथ आर हंग्री एंड टायर्ड, वी बोथ आर, पूरे दिन से दे आर ट्रैवलिंग, दे आर वॉकिंग, सो दे आर रियली हंग्री एंड टायर्ड एंड वी हैव अ लॉन्ग ट्रैक अहेड ऑफ अस टुमारो, और कल भी हमको बहुत ट्रैकिंग करनी है, दैट इज वी हैव टू वॉक a long way, right? अगर साइप्रस पहुंच रहा है तो अभी हमको कल भी बहुत वॉकिंग करनी है, we have to walk a lot, so let us rest here, we have a hotel here, we'll just eat the food and we will rest here. Okay, Pythias agreed, so Pythias say okay as you say, and after bathing and changing into fresh clothes they sat down to a hot meal. They were joined by other travelers and soon the talk turned to the hardship they faced under the tyrannical king Dionysius. Many of the men spoke in hushed whisper about his cruelty. Okay, so they stop at the hotel and there is a restaurant there. Where after bathing and changing to the fresh clothes, they all sat for the hot meal. They started their dinner, but there were more travelers. अब होटल है तो और भी लोग होंगे, तो और भी travelers थे, and they all were sitting to have their meal. और वो लोग बातें करने, of course when we are sitting together we will talk, so they also started talking. But जैसे ही बातें स्टार्ट हुई, पहले हुआ you just introduction हुआ and then they started to talk about their hardships. So what are hardships? Hardships are the problems we face. So these all people are facing, these travelers are facing hardship. But why? Because of the tyrannical king of Cyprus. जो साइप्रस का जो किंग था डियोनियस, वो बहुत ही क्रूअल और अनफेयर था, राइट? तो वो लोग है ना अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स के बारे में, उनकी जो तकलीफें उनको फेस करनी पड़ रही है एक क्रूअल किंग के बारे में, उसका डिस्कशन होने लगा। लेकिन जो वो भी बातें वो कर रहे थे बहुत धीरे, दे स्टार्टेड टू हश विस्पर, दे वर विस्परिंग, विस्पर करना मतलब टॉक स्लोली अबाउट हिज क्रूअलिटी, बिकॉज दे डिड नॉट हैव राइट, उनके पास इतना भी हक नहीं था कि वो अपने राजा के बारे में, he is doing wrong, he is a tyrannical, that is he is cruel, he is unfair, but they do not had right कि वो अपने राजा के बारे में खुल के सच बोल सके। So they were whispering, whisper करना मतलब to talk softly slowly ताकि कोई और सुन ना सके। Why don't you do something about it? Asked Pythias. You could go and meet him and tell him how unhappy the citizens are. After all, a king is like a father, stern yet loving. तो Pythias ने जब ये सब सुना, what he said? Why are you not doing something, right? तुम क्यों नहीं कुछ कर रहे हो? You go to the king and tell that all the people, all the citizens are very unhappy with him, because a king is like a father. King हमारा जो होता है वो एक फादर की तरह होता है। फादर स्ट्रिक्ट होता है ना, लेकिन फादर हमारे लिए सब कुछ भी करते हैं। तो father can be strict, but he will do everything for us, he cannot be cruel to us, right? So Pythias said to all the people, जो बता रहे थे ना कि हमारा किंग बहुत क्रूअल है, हमें बहुत परेशान करता है, Pythias को गुस्सा आ गया, and what he said that you should go to the king and just complain, right? Because of your cruelty everyone is unhappy, so do something for it, because a king is like a father, right? So the story is really interesting. There are two friends, Damon and Pythias. They are traveling and they are going to Cyprus, and in between they stay in a hotel, और उस होटल में वो और travelers के बारे में बातें करते हैं एंड दे गॉट टू नो अ टाइरेनिकल किंग डायनोसियस. डायनोसियस बहुत ही क्रूअल एक टायरेंट है. ही इज अ क्रूअल एंड अनफेयर किंग. So this is all for today. We will complete our chapter in my next video. So what you have to do is you have to read the new words 2 times and just write down in your rough copy. We will complete the story of two best friends in my next video. Thank you.